Hello everyone, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Today I'm very excited to show you the U-Haul exclusive B&W trailer hitch for the Toyota RAV4. Now, putting a hitch on your RAV4 is going to lead to some amazing adventures like biking or camping. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let me show you how we do this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We're going to begin this installation by revealing our 4 weld nuts. There's 2 on each frame and they are covered by stickers. So we use a long flathead screwdriver to peel the stickers off and move from there. Now that we have exposed the weld nuts, we can go ahead and install our side plates using the provided hardware. Thread the forwardmost bolt first, raise the plate up and thread in the rearmost bolt. Before installing the passenger side plate, if equipped, you must remove this existing tie-down bracket. You can do this with a 17mm socket and a 6-inch extension. You can now install the passenger side plate. One of the awesome features of the B&W hitch is the fact that you can put this in by yourself, no second hands needed. Pass a bolt from the outside of the vehicle to the inside of the vehicle and then insert your locking washer and your nut. Now do one more bolt on the other side to hold the hitch in place and we can come back and do the other 6. We're now ready to torque the hardware to the manufacturer specifications. We will link them in the description below. Do note that we are going to start by torquing the side plates to the frame first and then we will torque the hitch to the side plates. Due to the RAV4's hybrid battery box location being right here, you will need a 19mm crow foot to put on your torque wrench in order to reach these 2 bolts. You can now torque the hitch to the side plate bolts using a 9/16 socket and a 9/16 open-ended or combination wrench. If your socket and torque wrench do not fit, try adding a swivel socket. That concludes putting the U-Haul exclusive B&W trailer hitch on your Toyota RAV4. I would like to point out that this hitch has the highest tongue weight rating of any hitch you can put on your Toyota RAV4, and that is why we choose B&W. Now let me go ahead and pull the vehicle onto level ground. We'll talk about some measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The distance from the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 6 inches. The distance from the ground to the top of the receiver is 12 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, ski carrier, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.